This video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how you can void an error entry, an overring on the XEA202 register. So in this example I'm going to make a mistake on the till, I'm going to show you why that's a problem, and then I'm going to show you how you can void it off to clear up your report. So in this mistake I'm going to sell something for £1,000 through Department 1. So it's a cash error. I've typed in £1,000 because I've been distracted, or perhaps I'm new to using the register, and it should have been £1, let's say. Let's keep it really easy for the purposes of the video. Obviously you can deal with a customer, give them the correct change, and move on and carry on other transactions. The till's not out of use or anything, but obviously you've got a problem in terms of your end of day report. So currently, if I just very quickly run an X read on this till, I've taken £1, I've got £1 in my drawer, but according to the till, I've actually taken £1,000, and then there's all the tax implications of that. So I want to get rid of the overring. So I need the manager key, so I've already got the MA key loaded, so you can't do this operation with just the reg key. You need the MA key loaded. You need to turn it around to the void mode, and then your choice is you can either make a calculation, you can either void this transaction totally and then re-enter it correctly, so the £1, or you can void the difference. So I'm going to void the difference, so I'm making a calculation that the overring was £999, so I've gone to the void mode. All you do is enter the incorrect amount, £999, into the same department, cash it off using the same method of payment, and then you get a void receipt printout. So it looks exactly like a sales transaction, except that you've got the void mode symbol appearing at the top. Key back to reg, and the till is now correct for carrying on with the trading for the rest of the day. And I'll just prove that, or show you how it appears on your end of day report, because it will appear on there, but it's just how it registers it. So you've got £1. Obviously this is a lot easier to look at because I've only done 2 transactions. Obviously it can be a bit more complicated when you've done 200 transactions on the till, but there's my £1 into groceries. So it's corrected my groceries department. That was originally at one point £1,000. That's now down to the correct £1. My takings are £1. My tax is correct, but then it hasn't ignored what I've done. It's basically got 999 in the void and manager mode. So it's acknowledging that the void has occurred, which is obviously important because you might want to look back at the end of day report and wonder why there are so many voids being done on the register. But the key thing to remember is to turn the key back to the reg mode when you've finished any reporting or void mode operations. Okay, so that's how to void a incorrect sales transaction on the 202. We've got plenty of other videos appearing showing you how to get the best out of these machines, which you're welcome to watch. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.